take a relax, take a chill in.
No, I'm pissed off.
Why?
That junction, I went into the turning right before the box, and that's a serious.
Not a problem.
Oh, was that alright? Oh, that truck scared me as well.
After 100 yards, turn right. Turn right.
But then you saw the chicane lanes there, which were the last one was finishing. At this point, you're gone over there. You made a perfect decision. Why you were worried about it then?
Hold on, that truck scared me.
Well, forget about the truck 1 minute. So that's how it is. So this lane is going straight and left for the left turning, and this one is for the right. So when you see the last line, which is hardly visible, you move over to this lane there. You made the right decision. But then here, what happened there? You have got a stopping line there for this road, lane A, and this one is slightly back one, which you did manage to stop. Why you think their one is slightly behind than the other lane? Why is that? What's the reason?
Because the traffic coming from the right.
What type of particular traffic we're talking about?
Trucks.
Yeah, that's what exactly happened. So when he turned, because you stopped just before the stopping line, did we cause any issue for that lorry?
No.
Not really. But you start going into negative mode that time.
Yeah.
You did nothing wrong. One thing you did do wrong though, that I wish you could have been slightly hold your ground there, and you went, because you're scared of the truck, you went slightly, you didn't cross over the white lane, but you went slightly too close to the center left lane there. You didn't. The lorry driver was not causing any problem because you stopped nicely before the stopping line, which is hardly visible. That's one thing. So you done perfectly fine there. I'm not even mentioning it over there. Yeah, lorry, good turn. Look, it says good turn. Yeah, you done everything over there. Then as you were there, you're more worrying about the lorry, and the green filter arrow comes up.
Yeah.
And what happened?
How long was it on for?
Forget about that. Did you go on the green filter or not?
I didn't go when it started.
When it started, but you only waited for 1 or 2 seconds, but then you realized.
I did realize it was my lane.
So did we cause any problem for any traffic? Not really that much, isn't it? You done nothing there. Problem is fine. Yes, it would have been good if you would have gone straight away, but because the back of your mind thinking about the lorry and all that, but at least you know what that green filter arrow is. Yeah. So nothing at all. Very good. Right. Okay. So there was nothing there to worry about, which you were worried about.